Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chanel. Please consider subscribing. So we're gonna jump right into this look. Alright, so there is this lady here on YouTube. She goes by Savannah. It'll be on the screen, okay? Because I cannot remember what her name is, but her first name is Savannah. So it's going to go right here. At least that's her channel name. So I'm going to leave that right here on the screen. I will also leave a link to the video I am duping up above in the cards. So you can go check out that video because I do not know how to get the video and add it into this video. I don't know. So I'm going to show you what the look looks like really fast. So this is what the look looks like right here, and there is the eyes. I want to recreate this look, and this is her Instagram. I want to recreate that whole makeup look that she did. And like I said, she did do a YouTube video on it, but I don't know how to insert that video into mine. So we're gonna do it like this. So in that video, she used one palette, and she used the Morphe purpley pinky palette. It's like an artistry palette or something. I'm gonna go back and find out what the name of that palette is, and I'm gonna throw it up here on the screen. Well, I don't have that palette, and my no low buy year, I'm currently not buying anything else right now. So I'm gonna show you all the palettes I'm gonna be using for this eye look as I rate it through my makeup collection, okay? These are all my palettes I'm using. So I'm going in with this purple palette from MAC, and it was a Patrick Star and MAC collab. I'm gonna use this palette just for what shade is it? I can't see. Oh, there we go. Just for this shade right here. I'm going to go into the Pure Festival palette. The way how I'm showing you is the order of the palettes that I'm going to be using. So if I don't happen to mention the palette that I pick up, I'm letting you know now. So I'm going in with the Pure palette, the Pure Festival palette that came in a BoxyCharm. And I'm going to be going in with this pink, where are you? This pink shade here called Wild Child. It's like a bright pink, pretty color. Then I'm going to be, so I gotta put everything back in order. I'm going to be going with the Ace Beauty palette right here. This is the Grandiose palette, came in a BoxyCharm. And I'm going to be using that shade right here. Can you see that, this one? I'm going to be using this shade right there. No, I'm not going to go in there with that palette. We're going to cut down some of these palettes, y'all, because I just got too many palettes. We're going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Foiled 28 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show you guys the shades I'm going to be going in. I'm going to go in with one of these purple shades, okay? Which one at the moment I do not know, but I'm going with one of these purple shades. I'm also going to go in with this gold shade right here, or this copper. It's like a gold copper shade compared to this one, so I'm going with this shade here. And then I think that's it in this palette. So those are the eyeshadows I'm going to be using. And if you have the Artist Couture loose highlighter like this, I am going to be using the shade Purple Dream as well. So I'm mainly going to be trying to recreate her eye look, and everything else, if I have it, I have it. If I don't, I don't, which I most likely do not have it. You know, oh well, it's up for grabs. Now if I'm not mistaken, she does not set down her primer. I've been watching this woman for a couple years, and she's entertaining to me. She's entertaining, and I love watching her. I wish I could really meet her, but she's not even in the States right now, which is kind of sad. So sad. But if she ever does, I'm letting you know right now, I would like to meet you, Savannah, okay? just to hang out for the entire day, go eat, go sit down, chillax, you know, just girl time. I want to. I really do. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go out there to Japan, you know. So, I done talked long enough, so we're going to go in with the shadows. Like I said, we're going to go in with this palette first. And I'm going to use this deep plummy purple shade in the outer V. And I'm using a slanted brush here. I don't think like the eyeshadow brushes, the names of them really matter. But yeah, so I'm gonna, and Savannah suggested to use an angled brush like this for this part. And I'm just going to angle it like this to get that outer V going, y'all. That outer V. So next, going in with that pink I showed you, I'm just taking a more flat shader brush, and I'm going to start like packing this right above the purple or the plummy shade. I'm just going to pack it up here. I'm going to go back in with that purple and put it back where I had it because it like disappeared. Alright, just to let you guys know, as I'm using the shadows, I am leaving my palettes open, so if I need to go back and add and re-enhance the color, my palette's already open, I can just reach over and use those colors. Alright, so with that lighter pink shade I showed you earlier, I'm going to dip in there. So I just dipped directly in there, and I'm going to add it. I'm going to use this shade, I just tap some off, and I'm going to blend everything together. And kind of softly blend everything together. Take it back. I'm not going to go in with that gold shade because I think this is a little too gold for the eye look. I'm going to go in with this one down here that's kind of, it's like a gold pink. Yeah. I'm going to go in with this shade down here instead. And I want to go... because I don't want these colors to clash, but I want it to pop. I'm going to go in with this purple shade here. It's purple. I hope you guys can really see that, but I'm going to go in with this purple shade. It's a shimmer. And I'm going to put that, how did she say it? Kind of like a halo, but not quite like a halo. Honestly, it's more like a cut crease, kind of like, where she kind of puts it up here. Like that, but I don't want to take away from the dark purple, so I'm gonna go all the way like this, mind you. Okay, this is my version of her look, okay? So don't be kind of clocking me on y'all and stuff. So I'm gonna go like this. Oh, I am gonna use one more shade out of this palette if I can find it. If not, I'm going to have to pull another palette. So then I'm going to go in with this. Ooh, there we go. I'm going to go in with this, like, it's a pink gold shimmer shade. And I'm going to apply that to the part on my lid that I didn't apply anything else. That looks pretty. So the next thing she did was add a thick eyeliner, so that is what I'm going to do. So after she did her thick eyeliner, she went in with like a dark shimmer shade on top of the liner. So I'm going to go back in with this shade here, this blue one in the same palette, because I don't have a darker shimmer shade or a darker blue shimmer shade. So we're going to add that right onto the outer portion and kind of blend it up into the purple. And I'm adding this right on top of the liner. And then I'm going to take some of that first shade we used, which is that like little plummy shade, and I'm going to darken my lower lash line down here. So here's the look again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but underneath her eyes it is deepened. It looks like with the plum and that first pink shade. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use that plum and that pink shade and deepen the lower portion of my eye right here. The inner corner, she did this pretty purple color. That's where the Artist Couture loose highlighter comes from. And I'm going to take this really tiny, I know I had it earlier, I was playing with it, trying to see if that was the right size. Now I gotta find the brush. Here we go. So I'm gonna take this really tiny little tapered eyeshadow. This is the Morphe M168. And I'm just gonna take my powder and I'm just gonna dip right into here. Just dip in there. And then I'm gonna go to the inner corner, like right here. And I'm gonna start adding that. In here, it does not look purple, but this is called Purple Dream. It's so pretty. It's like a pretty pinky purple. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the face and apply some lashes, because you know she always be wearing some lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and beat this face and I'll be right back. By the way, I'm letting you guys know I'm going to beat my face the same way she beats hers. I'm just going to leave this portion out because it's gonna take too long for me. And I just realized she did not use a sponge to do this part, but you know I am right now. So I'm using some Maybelline loose powder, and I have this little tiny Laura Mercier little powder puff, and Savannah likes to pack her powder on her face. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna pack it, okay? So we gonna pack it. Yeah, she packs it on her face like this. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna pack it. Pack it everywhere else that we do not set already. Did I tell y'all I already hit pan on this shade here, Rodale Drive? I already hit pan on this. So I'm gonna have to order me like at least 2 or 3 more backups from ColourPop, because I really do like this shade. So she went in with a bright like pink, I think it was pink, like a bright pink blush. I'm gonna go in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. It looks like this because I don't got one like that, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This one right here. I do not know what this shade is called, but this is the shade I'm going in with right here. And I'm just taking my powder brush right here. This is a little powder brush, and I'm going right into that eyeshadow. Yes, you guys, I said eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow here. I'm just going right into that eyeshadow, just like this, making sure I get enough product on my brush here, and I'm gonna go straight to my face. This is like a kind of a pinky shade, so if I put too much, you know, that's what bronzer's for, y'all. And you know what? Just for fun, we're gonna go in with a little bit with that purple too, but we ain't gonna go all crazy like we did with the other shade. There we go. I think that little bit of purple makes a whole lot of difference, you guys. Okay, and then she did like a purple lip. I do have a Sugar Pill lip product, but it's not in the shade she used, I don't believe. Mine is in Strange Love, and she used it as a lip liner. I am not that creative yet to do how she did it. So I'm going to go in with a lip liner from LA Girl in the shade Burgundy. And I'm going to line my lips with this first. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Color Peel. And this is in the shade Strange Love. And this has kind of like it's like kind of metallic. Should I be even using this shade? I don't know, but I'm going in with it. So now I can line my lips a lot better with this Color Peel. Then she used like a pink shade in the center. Well, I don't got pink. Well, you know, a really pink one. I think this might be the pinkest one I got right here. And this one is from ColourPop. And this is in the shade Money Side Up. And this is one of their Luxe lipsticks. So I'm going to go in with this one right here. in the shade, any in the center. I think I need some more at the little inner corner. Hold on. So this is the finished look. This is how the whole look came out. Now, like I said, this is my impression on duping her look, which I'm throwing up right here, right up here, you know, up there, you know. And I hope, you know, that the two looks compare. I'm looking this way, but there ain't nothing here, but there is for you guys. There's a picture right here. But yeah, I think this eye look came out so cute. And like I said, she inspires me so much. I love watching her videos and everything. I just, like I said, I can sit there for hours and just sit and watch them and just keep going. I love her attitude. I love how she is as a person, and it just makes you just want to come out and, you know, be yourself and get a little ghetto in there too. But at the same time, I just love her. But yes, so this was the finished look. This is how the look came out. This is what I got here. This is my take on duping her makeup, and I love it, and I think I want to do another one. Let me know if you guys have, you know, a YouTuber in mind that you want me to do, because I think I might make this like a monthly or maybe even a bi-weekly or maybe even a weekly thing if I get enough requests. But I'm gonna let you know right now, this will not be the only look that I dupe from Savannah, okay? But I do love this one, and I'm not a purple girl, but this is gorgeous. All right. Now that I'm done, I gotta go because I want some tacos. Okay. Bye. Ooh, one more. Hold on. Before the bye. If you're not subscribed and you like me already, make sure you subscribe with turn that bell on. And don't forget to go check out Savannah's channel. Like I said, I'm going to try to link it down below in the description box. But like I said, it's in the iCard. Just go and click on that iCard and you're going to get to this video that she done did. Okay. Let me go.